How long have you been working at that company?
I have been working here for 2 years on.
أهلا وسهلا يا رمضان شهر التوبة والغفران مرحبا بك رمضان رمضان شهر الذكر والإحسان أهلا وسهلا يا رمضان شهر الصدقة والإكرام مرحبا بك رمضان رمضان أهلا وسهلا يا رمضان أصوم نهارا وأذكر ربي وأتلو القرآن ليشفي قلبي
Hello friend, how are you doing?
Very fine, and you?
I'm also like that and better. So may I ask you a personal question, please?
Yeah.
May I know your full name, please?
Of course. My name is Muhammad Al Hassan.
Wow, you have a wonderful name.
Thank you for compliment.
Anytime, what do you do for a living?
I work at the pig company.
Wow, really? That's a nice job.
Of course.
How long have you been working at that company?
I have been working here for 2 years on.
Oh, interested. I'm teacher too.
Oh, thank you. Do you job with me?
Yeah, of course. I'm really appreciated that.
Or welcome with Abraham so that all in all.
Thank you very much how you explained your beautiful time and congratulations you.
Thank you.